Hello friends. In this video, I intend to teach you how to get started with the K2 Markets Broker dashboard. We'll start with the options. At the top, by clicking on this option, you will log out of your account. In the Messages section, you can access your account notifications. You can change the notification settings from the Subject section. Also, in the From and Date section, by clicking on this section, you can select the desired date, such as today, yesterday, etc. And also click on Export to CSV to extract the information. By clicking on this section, you can change the language of your account. By clicking on the Profile section, you can enter your profile, where you can see information about your account, such as your name, surname, etc. To change information such as your password, you can click on Change. And by entering your current and new passwords, you can repeat the new password in this section and click Continue to confirm the password. Also in the email, mobile phone number or language, and documents and notification section. To disable SMS notifications, you can click on Disable. To set up two-factor authentication, click on Settings. Choose the desired methods, and then click on Enable two-factor authentication in this section. You can do this by scanning the QR code and entering the required code in this section. You click on Enable. As you can see, two-factor authentication is activated for us, and you can also receive your backup codes in this section. To add a demo or live account, you can click on these options. And by entering information such as account type, leverage, width, balance, and nickname, you can click on an account and create the desired demo account. As you can see, the demo account has been added to our account, and you can also enter the deposit form section to make a deposit. In this section, you select the desired account and, in addition to the payment type that we choose, crypto. And by entering information such as payment details, etc., you can start depositing. We will make a video for you about depositing in K2 Markets. Also, in the middle of the page, you will see information about your live and non-live account. You have access to change your password. And by clicking on the View option, you should be taken to the desired account information section. By clicking on the Deposit option, you should be taken to the Deposit section and also to the Internal Transfer section. You can select the desired account and also the destination account. By clicking on Continue, you can transfer the amount between internal accounts. We will create a video about this soon for you. In the Trading History section, you will enter your trading history where you can adjust the settings. From the Ticket section, set symbols, type, lots, etc. And after being active on the website, this section will be displayed to you. You can also click on this option to download the information as a file, and you can click on Calculate Totals to calculate all the information. By clicking on Stocks, you will enter the Charts section, which is divided into two parts, Lots and Profit. You can also set filters by date by clicking in this section, selecting the desired date, and clicking on Submit to view the specified date. In the Funds section, you also have access to 5 deposit options. In the Funds Withdrawal section, where you can withdraw the amount from your account. We will soon create a video about withdrawals for you, and in the Transfer section. As we said, we transfer the internal amount of our account between internal accounts, and in the Transaction History section, you will have access to the history of your transactions, which is divided into 2 categories: pending transaction and pending transfer. This section will be displayed to you by being active on the website, and also at the bottom between. The categories are divided into transaction history and transverse history. In the payment details section, you can upload information from accounts such as your bank card or wallet. In this section, you can select the desired network, and you can upload the desired documents by filling in the information and uploading the documents in this section. In the Profile section, you have access to more profile options. You have a video about a video about a video, 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 about a video. Notifications, which are the same as messages, are in the authentication factor and in the download section. You can download the MetaTrader platform by selecting the desired operating system and also by clicking on the MetaTrader 5 web section. You enter the MetaTrader website section, where by entering information like your login and password and clicking on Connect to Account, you can access your MetaTrader account. In the Economic Calendar section, you will enter the Economic Calendar section, where you can select date settings, and you can also set the desired time in this section. In this section, you can see various currencies, and this economic calendar is related to MQL5. In the Trading Calculator section, you enter the China Trading Calculator area by entering information such as volume, leverage, instruments, and account currency. You can click on Calculate and see the results in this section. In the Social Pal section, you will enter the Social Management section, where you will see various users and their work as they wish. By clicking on the date filter option, you can activate the date section for yourself, allowing you to select the desired date. By clicking on this option, you can view the results in this section. Additionally, by clicking in the Invest section and entering information such as your MetaTrader account, password, and the amount you wish to invest, and confirming the website's terms, you can click on this Invest button and engage in this section. Also, at the top, you can change the language by clicking in this section, and you can switch the theme from light to dark. You can enter the desired amount for investment and confirm the website's terms by clicking on this Invest button and engaging in this section. In the upper section, you can change the desired language by clicking here, and you can also switch the theme from light to dark. In this section, you can search for the desired user and the relevant information. In the PAM section of the blog, you will enter the PAM section, where you will log into your PAM account. By entering your account information and clicking on this section, and if you would like to register for the pump, you can click on this option, and at this time you can search for the desired information, and by selecting the desired manager, for example this option, you enter information from MT4, password, and the desired amount for the capital. You confirm the rules of the website, and by clicking on this, you will be logged in you will enter this section. In the social trading section, you will enter the social trading section, which will make a great video for you in this regard. In the social trading login section, you can enter your social trading account by selecting the desired server, username, and password, and clicking Login. And if you would like to open a new account for this section, you can click on Register from the follower. And if you would like to add a trading platform section, you can click on this section, and by entering information such as title, etc., that I taught you in the registration video, you can create a new platform. In the reporting system section, you will see information about your activity on the website. By selecting this option, you can select the number of activities, which is divided into decimals of 25, 50, and all. You can also search for the desired information in this section, and you can change the settings between account, report, date, description, and PAM. And set up this work. And after being active on the website, this section will be displayed to you. In the Request IB section, you can enter information about your services and previous experiences, and other information such as Instagram and Telegram accounts, etc. And by clicking on the option, or by clicking in this section, you confirm the website's terms, and then you click on Continue. And you can submit a request for the IB section. Friends, this was the training for working and having a broker in the markets. Good luck, everyone.